Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and in today's video, we're going to talk about a super gentle yet extremely effective face scrubbing method to give you squeaky clean skin. Now, this is something that I've been using for a while, guys, and such a wonderful product. This is the Agaro Ultrasonic Facial Skin Scrubber. Now, because of the frequent lockdowns and the situation outside, if you're anything like me, you're also probably looking for some solutions, some beauty solutions to give your skin that extra tender loving care without having to step outside, right? Now this is something which you can use at home. Very handy, very handy also in the sense that it's like so easy to just hold, like very handy design as well. And this is something which you can easily use at home. Now, apart from cleaning your skin, it also helps in lifting your skin to give you those anti-aging benefits, preventing your skin from aging and giving your skin that parlor-like glow. Very handy, very easy to use. However, one thing, and this is something that I say out of my experience, guys, don't expect overnight results with this product. Consistency is the key. Okay, a lot of times I see my viewers, they try something new and they expect like results like in one use, in half a use. I don't even know what half a use means, but you get the idea, right? Consistency is the key, and you also need to use this in the correct way. There are certain guidelines which you need to follow. So that's exactly what we'll be discussing today in this video. So yes, let's get started. Let me show you the product once again. This is how the product looks up close, and here's the packaging. It comes in this packaging. So here's the device. There's also a charging cable. It also comes with these two silicone product attachments. It's made of food grade silicone to help in further cleaning the skin without harming the skin. Very gentle. Again, guys, all of this is very gentle. For example, if you see the spatula, it is made of 100% stainless steel, which makes it very safe to use, and it also helps the skin absorb the nutrients, making the skin bright, shiny, elastic, and just so happy. This product actually has a 24,000 per minute high frequency vibration. Get that? Which makes it very effective, obviously, for deep cleaning, for thoroughly cleaning your skin without damaging the skin and also preventing the skin from aging. So it comes in 4 adjustable modes. First being cleaning, then we have lifting, then we have Iron Plus, which generates positive ions for deep pore cleansing very effectively, very well. And then we have the Iron Minus mode for generating negative ions for deeper penetration of the nutrition into the skin. And what do we do with these features? How do we use this product? Well, let me show you now. So I'm going to start by first removing all of my makeup, obviously, and then cleaning my face with a facial cleanser. Then I'm going to use steam to open the pores. And now moving to the scrubber, I'm going to first turn on the cleaning mode, and then using the steel spatula with a spatula curve on the inside, follow how I'm using this to remove my dead skin cells, blackheads and whiteheads from the face. You can also use the silicone bristles cover at this point for further cleaning, like removing makeup residue. After cleaning my face, I like to apply some anti-aging or skin firming formula, and then using the lifting mode, yes, the lifting mode, and keeping the spatula curve this time on the outside, follow how I'm moving this on the outwards and upwards motion. You can also use a silicone cover on the wavy side. This is how you can move it back and forth. Do not keep it in one place, but keep moving. Moving on to deeply cleansing my skin, I'm going to first apply some toner and then picking the Iron Plus mode, and this time keeping the spatula curve on the inside. I'm going to use my device to help in gently pulling out all the dirt and impurities, leaving the pores completely clean. And now moving to the last and final step, I'm going to first deeply nourish the skin with a moisturizer or a lotion or a facial mask. You can use anything. And then switching to the Iron Minus mode. This will help in deep penetration of the nutrients into the skin and helps in proper nourishment and optimum utilization of the face care products. During this process, the spatula curve should be facing outside and the movement should be outwards and upwards. You can follow how I'm doing it right here. And here's how my skin is looking after all the steps. It's looking clean, it's looking refreshed, it's looking so happy. And now for the big question, guys, how often to use it? Well, I personally use it for 2 to 3 times a week, for each time just about for 5 minutes. Okay, 2 to 3 times a week for just about 5 minutes. However, in case you have sensitive skin, use it just once a week. And quick tip, this is something that has come in very handy time and again for me. Use it on wet skin, not dry skin. Use it on wet skin, and after using it, obviously you want to clean the product, you want to clean your device. Don't put it in water, just clean it with wet cloth, okay? And obviously charge it fully before you use it for the first time. Charge it fully, or if it has been left unused for 3 months, charge it completely fully before you start using it, okay? So as you can see guys, this is a device which is very easy to roll into your regular skincare routine, just 2 to 3 times a week for 5 minutes each time. And it's not like you're going out of your way with too many extra steps, but you get all of these amazing benefits, right? Your skin is extra clean, whitehead removal, blackhead removal, and all the skin lifting and anti-aging benefits, and just giving your skin that beautiful glow. The vibrations, the massaging really helps, guys. So all the time, we are looking for all these beauty products to give us these amazing magical results. This is something which will amplify those results for you. So why not? Super handy, super easy to use, and so amazing, right? What I'll do, guys, I'll share the link for the Agaro Ultrasonic Facial Skin Scrubber in the description box below. You can check it out. And for all those of you who have already tried out this product, let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, how your experience has been. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.